Alright students, in previous video, we discussed the question paper pattern. Now I will show you the actual question paper, mathematics part 1, that is algebra, March 2020. This is latest question paper. The timing is 2 hours, maximum marks 40. At the top, you will find these notes. There are 5 instructions. First, all questions are compulsory. Second, use of calculator is not allowed. Third, the numbers to the right of the question indicate full marks. In case of MCQs, question number 1A, only the first attempt will be evaluated and will be given credit. I repeat, only the first attempt will be evaluated and will be given credit. Means, if you make mistake while writing the first time the answer, and correct it or scratch it and then write the second, then only the first attempt will be considered. Means even if you write correct answer second time, it will not be considered. I hope you understand this point. So you have to be very careful while writing the answer to this question number 1A MCQ. For every MCQ, the correct alternative A, B, C or D of answers with sub-question number is to be written as an answer. For example, question 1A, sub-question number is 1. If the correct answer is A, it should be written 1A. So in this way, you have to solve properly this question paper. Now, as we discussed, question 1, it is divided into 2 sub-questions. Question 1A, for every sub-question, 4 alternative answers are given. Choose the correct answer and write the alphabet of it. It has been explained very properly. So, one statement is given, 4 options are given. You have to write the number of that statement and in front of it the option letter of that option. So, in this way there are 4 questions. There is no option. It is for 4 marks. Then question 1B, solve the following sub questions. Such types of questions, short questions are asked. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 questions. They are based on concepts, general concepts, and each is for 1 mark. In this way, it consists of 4 marks questions. 4 questions for 4 marks. Then question 2A, complete and write any 2 activities from the following. We will see. You have to just fill in the boxes, and in this way, this is a easy question. At this moment also you can solve this question, because in 9th standard you have done that. In second question or second sub question also, the boxes are given 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write the correct answer in each box, half mark for each box. Then third question, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are given. You have to write the correct responses or correct answers in the corresponding boxes, and in this way each box will carry half mark. Question 2B, solve any 4 sub questions from the following, and it is for 8 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 you have to solve any 4. Now question 3A, complete and write any 1 activity from the following. As we discussed earlier, that question 3A is activity based, means again you have a lot of chance for getting out of marks. So this is for 3 marks. So you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Each box will carry half mark, and in this way you will understand the importance of activity based questions. They give you full marks very easily. In second sub question also you will find there are 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half marks each. Now question 3B, the third question, this is the second question. Then in 3B, attempt any 2 sub questions from the following. It is for 6 marks. So in this way, these are the questions which have been asked. 4 questions are asked, and you have to you have to write down any 2. Now question 4, this is an important question. Attempt any 2 sub questions from the following. It is for 8 marks, 4 marks each question, and you have to solve out of 3 any 2. So these are the questions which have been asked in the latest 2020 examination. One was based on statistics, then the second and the third one, and lastly question number 5. So as we discussed earlier, for question number 4 you have to pay more attention, because this is not directly from the textbook but based on the syllabus. Means if your concepts are clear, then you can apply the knowledge for solving these questions. And lastly, question number 5, attempt any one sub question from the following. There are 2 questions given, you have to solve any one. So in this way we discuss the question paper pattern as well as the entire question paper. Now in the next part of video we will be seeing the paper presentation.